Okay, here we're going to draw a stem and leaf diagram. So in a stem and leaf diagram, what we do is we separate up usually the tens and the units. So the tens go in this bit on the left, so I guess the stem, and then the units become the leaves. So what we're going to do is we're going to put all the tens down here. So we've got the lowest one is 10, so we're just going to put a 1. Next up is 20, 30 and 40. So this is going to mean 10, 20, 30 and 40. And then we're going to write an ordered stem and leaf diagram. So we're just going to write the numbers in order along here, but we're only going to write the units on in here. So we've already got the tens here, we just write the units next. So we've got to go from the units of 0 to 1 to 2. So we're going to start with the ones that are 0. So this is 40 here, 40. So it becomes 40. So 40 means 40. And this is a key which you've got to write. So 40 means 40, and it means 40 centimeters. So I'll put that on as well. So that's the key. You need to write a stem. When you do a stem and leaf, you need to write a key. So 40 equals 40. There's the key. Next one's up. So ones. So 1, 1, 11. 1, 1. 31 here. 3, 1, 31. No more ones. So then we start on the twos. So we've got 12 here. So 1. I'll put a comma, and then the next one, 2. 22's here. So 22. 32. 32. No more 2's, so we've got 3 here, or another one as well. So 43 and 23. Then 4's, we've got no 4's, no 5, so on to 6's. We've got 16 and 26. Then we've got 7 here, 27. What's left? We've got 2 18's, so 18, 18, 38, almost done, and we've got a 29, so 29. So there we go, we've got all of the numbers into the stem and leaf diagram. The only thing I do now, I've got my key, I've got the numbers all in order, so starting at the lowest, going up in size order, I just check there's the right number. So there should be 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I've got all the numbers done. I also know that because I've made sure I've crossed them all off. And they're all in order, 10 split up from the units. That's a complete stem and leaf diagram. So why don't you have a go at this one? The only difference here is, well, it's still going to be tens and units, but this time it's going to be 15 here, 16, 17 and 18. So they're still tens because I've got 15 tens, but it's just because they're bigger numbers. So see if you can do this one. Pause the video and then I'll go through the answers after. Okay, so again it's ordered, so we're going to start with the lowest units ones. So I've got a 0 there, 180, so 180, so, and I'll write a key, 180 centimeters again. So that's my key, done that. Make sure you do that every time with a stem and leaf. 180 equals 180 centimeters, done. So I just carry on now, no more zeros, 151, 171, 181. No more ones, so then I'm going to start on the twos, 160, 170, 162 again, 170 again. No more twos, so threes, 173, and that's it for the threes. No fours, I've got 155, 165, no more fives, 156, No more 6s. 7s, 177, 158, and 169. So they're all crossed off. That's a good sign. There should be 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I've got my key. Everything's in order.